Well, it's already taken video.
It's videoing right now?
Yeah.
Thanks for spending your morning with friends.
Look at how clear that is. We're just checking out the clarity right here. Today's the 23rd, Watseka. Anybody who's interested, we are, because we live here. This is our great town. I would say that quite a bit of it is underwater due to the Iroquois and Sugar Creek. I was coming back from coffee this morning and I thought I'd check. They say it's supposedly going down a little bit. From what we see, it's gone down maybe a few inches, if even that. But these are our streets that normally go all the way through. A lot of companies parking on the side streets because they have nowhere to put their vehicles anymore because of the flood. Take a walk here without too much shaking. So we're basically, without understanding the high areas, a few high areas of town, it's kind of hard to get out of here. We're pretty much stuck. Deliveries aren't going to be received here for a while, I don't believe. But this is what we're dealing with a lot of the areas. I mean, it's that's a through street right there. And basically all the neighborhoods to the left of this video is pretty much underwater. Probably a couple of 3 feet. That's all I got. So Watseka is probably about 15 minutes south of Kankakee. It's a little flyover town.